Activist Sonam Wangchu breaks fast, reiterates trust in the government to address the paper leak crisis. A late-night message from Prime Minister Narendra Modi reassured the activist.
Friends, मैं जानता हूं कि पेपर लीक ये कोई मामूली विषय नहीं है। लाखों विद्यार्थी और उनके अभिभावकों के लिए बहुत ही पीड़ादायक है और इसलिए पेपर लीक घटना से अब तक पिछले 2.5 महीनों में अनेक विध कदम उठाए गए, गुनहगारों को पकड़ा गया है, वे जेल में पड़े हैं। हमारा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मा था कि विद्यार्थियों का 1 वर्ष बर्बाद न हो। तत्काल परीक्षाएं लेना बहुत जरूरी था। सरकार ने अभी पूरी शक्ति का उपयोग करके कम से कम समय में 22 लाख जितने विद्यार्थियों के एग्जाम हो जाएं, इसका प्रबंध किया। और अभी 5-6 दिन पहले 19 तारीख को रिजल्ट भी आ गया और देश भर में उत्तीर्ण हो गए विद्यार्थियों की खुशियों की खबरें भी आ रही हैं। लेकिन हम वहां पर संतोष मानने वाले लोगों में से नहीं है और इसलिए मैंने आज फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट के लिए विभागों को निर्देश दिए थे। आज विभागों ने लगातार मेहनत करके देर रात मुझे मुसद्दा भी दे दिया। फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट और कठोर सजा के प्रावधान के साथ का ये मुसद्दा कल कैबिनेट में चर्चा होगी। कैबिनेट के साथियों के सुझाव के बाद उसका अंतिम रूप दिया जाएगा और सोमवार से संसद का दूसरा सप्ताह शुरू हो रहा है। तब जल्द से जल्द उस बिल को सदन में पारित कराने का प्रयास किया जाएगा।
Just hours after the Prime Minister announced tougher action against paper leaks, activist Sonam Wangchuk ended his 26-day hunger strike.
Government side, government is positive on not registering cases against those protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar in Delhi and those participating in the march to the Parliament on July 20, 2026. The government has already assured threadbare discussions to find solutions to paper leaks and educational reforms for exams in the Parliament. Besides, the government is also positively considering suitable compensations for the suicide victims of recent NEET paper leaks.
Sensitivity towards the children who have been victims, towards the youth who were peacefully protesting on those dates, and that both the ruling party and MPs from the opposition have assured me that their discussions will happen on the floor of the Parliament regarding reforms in the examination system like NEET and others, and that we will also be discussing about the accountability of such lapses, and that we'll all make sure that such things never happen. No child, no parent will have to go through what these 20 children and their parents had to go through. I'm happy that you have assured me that, and I'm sure, as the children have been demanding, at the suitable time, I'm no one to dictate, you will take accountability in the ministry with the minister also as a responsibility, and I'm sure you are already considering. And with these assurances, I'm touched and grateful to the government, and I want to appeal to the protesting students to maintain utmost peace. To express their feelings is a legitimate thing, but I do not approve violence of any kind, and allowing any antisocial elements to take advantage of this is not acceptable to me. It should be a genuine demand by genuinely concerned people, in this case youngsters. So with that being fulfilled, I'm grateful and I'll be happy to break my fast.
Government has prepared a proposal for fast-track courts and stricter punishment in paper leak cases. The draft will go to the cabinet, and then the government will try to introduce the bill in parliament during the coming week. CJP delegation is slated to meet government representatives today at 12:30 p.m. Wangchuk said he will explain the conditions behind the decision in a separate video. Outside Delhi's Jantar Mantar, supporters celebrated the end of Sonam Wangchuk's hunger strike. The government has also said that no action will be taken against students who joined the peaceful protest on July 20th. It also assured a proper policy on the NEET and other paper leak issues. The families of students who died by suicide over the NEET paper leak issue will also receive compensation.